Hello everyone. How we doing today? So today I'm gonna show you how to turn your backyard into a beautiful paradise garden, from grass to life, organic life that is. Ok? So aujourd'hui, je vais montrer nous Kijan pour nous convertir des dokay nous. Pour nous faire un bon jardin ensemble avec un paradis, côté la vie, tout bagay naturel. Ok? So, je vais montrer nous qui tools nous avons besoin. To do that, to get started, you need the tools. And I have the tools and I'm going to show you. Tout ça nous avons besoin. Ok? So, from grass to garden, to a big, beautiful garden. All right? Where you could plant your flowers, your vegetables, fruit, strawberries, tomatoes, anything you want. What you're looking at, these are the tools you're gonna need. So I've got it là, c'est l'équipement qu'on a besoin pour capable nettoyer terre. You need to start with the shovel, which is this one right here. You don't really need it, but sometimes if you patting dirt from a hole is good to have. If you're planting something deep or large or something large, you need it. And this is the grub hole. You're gonna need that to dig up. And this is the hole. You're gonna need this hole to clean up and dig also. When it comes to planting, you're gonna need this. And this is the rake. You're gonna need this to clean up, to put in all the weeds, the grass in one side. To pretty much, it's good for cleaning your backyard. All these tools, you need them if you want to start your own garden in your backyard. If you're doing like a regular farming on the outside, but you're gonna need a bigger hole. But this little hole is good for the beans. It's easy to use, and you won't cut off any of your plants at all. So, j'aime dire non, c'est ça qu'on a besoin. On pelle, on pique quoi pour abourer terre, on tire pour nettoyer en poids pour nettoyer terre, et avec un râteau pour râler Z, ne pas besoin de mettre sur côté. Okay, so this is all for it now that you need to get started. After using the grub hole, this is how the my garden look like. So it's ready. So I'm gonna take the hole in the rake to just smooth it, and from there, and we'll see how it look like.